Have you ever been enjoying a warm bowl of soup and wondered if adding edamame could give it a nutritional boost and a pop of color? The answer is a resounding yes. Edamame, those bright green soybeans that are often served as a snack or appetizer, are not only tasty but also versatile enough to elevate many dishes, including soups. If you're looking to make your soups more filling, protein-rich, and visually appealing, edamame might just be the perfect addition. Edamame has a firm yet tender texture that holds up well in soups, which is one of the reasons it's such a great choice. Unlike delicate greens or soft beans that can turn mushy if cooked too long, edamame retains its shape and bite, adding a satisfying texture to every spoonful. This makes it ideal for both clear broths and hearty, creamy soups. You can toss them in during the last few minutes of cooking, or add them straight to hot bowls before serving for a fresh, vibrant touch. Beyond texture, edamame brings a nutritional punch to any soup. Each cup of cooked edamame contains about 17 grams of protein, along with fiber, iron, calcium, and several important vitamins. This makes your soup more filling and satisfying, helping to stabilize blood sugar and keep you energized for longer. For anyone looking to increase their protein intake, especially on a plant-based diet, edamame is an easy and effective addition. It transforms an ordinary bowl of soup into a meal that's both nutritious and delicious. Another advantage of using edamame in soup is its subtle, slightly nutty flavor. It blends well with a variety of ingredients and seasonings, from miso and soy sauce to garlic, ginger, and fresh herbs. Whether you're making a traditional Japanese miso soup, a vegetable medley, or a creamy chowder, edamame adds a mild flavor that complements rather than overwhelms other ingredients. This versatility means you can experiment with different types of soups and seasonings, making it a fun and creative ingredient to cook with. Adding edamame to your soup is also a quick and convenient option. Frozen edamame can be tossed in without thawing, making it easy to boost nutrition without extra prep work. You can pair it with noodles, tofu, or grains for a complete meal that's healthy, satisfying, and ready in minutes. So if you're looking to upgrade your soups, don't overlook edamame. It adds protein, fiber, color, and texture while blending seamlessly with a variety of flavors. Including edamame in soup is not just about taste. It's a simple way to make your meals healthier, more filling, and visually appealing, turning every spoonful into a nutritious delight.